Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to add multiple accounts on X on mobile. So first of all, launch X, that is Twitter app, on your mobile devices. Now, if you're signed in to one of your Twitter accounts, tap on the profile icon at the top left. Now, once you come here, you can see a circle with 3 dots on the right-hand corner. Tap on it. Now over here, you can either tap on create a new account or add an existing account in order to add multiple accounts to X on your mobile devices. So I'm going to tap on add an existing account. Now start by entering your email address. Then tap on next. Now simply enter the password of your X account. After that, tap on the option of Login at the bottom right. Once you do so, you will successfully be able to add multiple accounts to X on your mobile devices. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.